Hey, hey, it's Desi. I took the girls to see the trolls. You see it? Look, there goes some scooters. I could never ride those things. Everybody ready for trolls? What do you think? It's bright out here, huh? All right, everybody excited? We're almost there. Let's see what you got. We got Poppy. And who you got? Satin and Chanel, the twins?
It's Chanel.
Is it Chanel?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Let's see the poster.
We got some snacks.
We got Trolls Live. Good. We got some snacks. Let's see your bows. We got the Barbs. And then we got some Poppy hair. Poppy. Dayla, how you feel about all these kids? Not so much. All right, you guys ready to go in?
Yep.
Let's do it. No? What do y'all think?
Good. I like it.
Kayla.
Isn't fair. Satin and Chanel are more than just their hair. Did you know that they both have PhDs? Forensic psychology.
The dance song. Got this in my pocket. And just dance, dance, dance. So hey guys, I used this cake to surprise them. I make custom cakes, so I kind of whipped this one together. I'm putting some pink glitter on here just to kind of jazz it up. I'm gonna go ahead and use my fondant and get some letters going here. And then we did just like a quick pink icing just to kind of add some extra stuff. I already put probably enough with the sprinkles and all the different icing on there. I'm using a star tip here. And then we're just gonna do a quick pipe on here. And I just kind of dropped the fondant letters that I made and put them on there. It's kind of cute, I guess. Kids love cake, they don't care. Man, you guys should have seen me rushing to try to hide this cake. And unfortunately, I'm looking now, my icing is kind of melted because the house was still hot from baking the cake. So my flowers and stuff didn't come out the way I wanted them to, but it's all good. And we're done. That's it. came out all right, I guess. But they were very surprised when they saw it, so that made my day.